on last week's episode.
We got a bit of a whoopsie on our hands here. We're about 1.25 inches, 1.5 inches off. We realized the only true option, we got to do surgery on this deck. We're going to do it the right way. It's how we do it. What's done is done here, so it's time to get to work fixing this little mistake. What we need to do is take about 1 inch off each joist and bring it back so that our border is going to fit in there seamlessly. The really hard part is that all the joists are pretty close together, so we can't get a circular saw into all of those bays, so some of them had to get cut with a Sawzall. The next thing we have to do is cut all of our posts, which are already in concrete, notch them back so that the stringer is going to sit on top of them. Then we can put the existing stair set back on there and we'll be back on track. All right, so that was a little bit of a setback, but we got it taken care of. Tony said, I'll handle it.
Just don't talk to me.
We've got our new piece on here that's the same width as all of our inlay pieces. And then we'll have this 5.5 inch Costa. And that'll leave us with a 2 inch overhang from framing for our 1 inch trim and then our 1 inch overhang. Back on track, let's go. So we also got these steps done over here. We have a lot more steps going in, so we'll show you some of the process on that a little bit later. But right now, we're getting started on some of our railing installation, and we're gonna have a really cool little custom bar going on here. So we left these posts a little bit longer than usual, and then we're gonna bolt in a 2x4 frame on this, and we're gonna have it overhang about 10 inches. So now we can install our sections, and once those sections are installed, we'll come back and we'll start building this bar top. It's gonna be really cool, so stay tuned for that. Do you think we'll need to cover the bottom?
What?
The framing? What boards?
Why? Oh, for aesthetic? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'll go run to the store.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drive. Be faster. Off we go. I hate when the planes are above the clouds and you can't see them. Sawing action, back and forth. There you go. That's the stuff. Get it nice and thick on there, so that you're cleaning it all the way. You know what I mean? So you're dragging it all the way across.
Did you think about putting more in to change your mind?
I was thinking about it, yeah, but it's like real wet, and I thought I was gonna drip it on you. I didn't want to do that. Yeah, get like a bunch in front of it. Cause like we got these little low spots. Do a little pad for our outdoor kitchen here. We're gonna be framing this up. As we typically do with some nice pro wood, but we want this sitting on a solid base, so we got some concrete going in this form, and then tomorrow we can frame up on this and then start trimming it out. It's gonna be looking nice. It's good to go. Everybody's staring at me.
I'd have been like, you think it looks like
You.
Tony,
What?
what you doing?
Working.
We're getting ready to put our corners on. We like to go with a nice clean detail of a 5.5 inch deck board. Go in the back, about 4.5 inch deck board with that little 1/4 inch reveal running vertically to break up the horizontal pattern. So what I do is I track saw it. So I screwed the track to the wall, made my cut. A lot of people ask like, oh, what do you do with the holes that you just put in? That's the hole that I needed for my track saw to go on. I'm just gonna take a trusty old plug screw, drive it in there, put a plug in it, you'll never know.
Can you put a plug in it?
You got a plug? What are you doing? Do you want to do it? You can do it.
Talking. Thanks.
Good luck. Make sure you line up the grain pattern.
Okay.
Nah, that one doesn't have too much dark in it.
Oh, okay. Oh, this one's good. That one, oh, that one's perfect. Oh, that one's gonna be good. Woo! No ho, no mo. Good job.
Thanks, boss.
That was great.
I do my best around here.
Thanks.
Why'd you say thanks?
Because I appreciate it.
Why?
Because it's nice.
Oh, okay. We didn't do anything.
Oh, it's a little heavy. You got it?
No.
What?
I'm tight. I'm too tight.
Nah,
Okay.
you get it on there. I'm a little tight over here. I'm a little tight over here.
I'm a little tight over here.
Can you get it in?
If we're gonna try, you gotta get the middle in first.
You got a sledge? Do you want it? Good. I want it real tight so don't go nowhere.
Did you get a boo-boo?
Yeah.
Ew.
You want me to call the
Blood
ambulance? Sorry.
There's gonna be 3 hits, Sean.
What are they?
Me hitting you,
Yep.
you hitting the ground,
Yep.
and the ambulance hitting 90.
On the way to the morgue, because I'm already dead, there's no chance. There it is. That's perfect. Oh yeah.
Come to the middle now. Come to the middle now.
All right,
You're
Jesus.
popping me out.
That is a nice fit.
I'm not saying it's a bad one.
Well, you're acting like
Could have went in small.
Tom, can you come sit on this? Yep. I think it was a good call doing the boards on the bottom. Really brings it together.
How's that?
Let's see.
Hey, Catherine, you probably weigh more than me. You want to sit on it?
Rude as hell. We got our bar top all finished up here. You can see, check out how nice this is. I love that we finished the bottom of this. This is our first time doing a bar like this with the railing underneath, which I really like, especially for this house because they have these huge glass windows here. They can look right out, see the water, Just looks awesome, and it's super clean. So this is probably something we'll be doing again in the future. We also have some riser lighting going in here. These are the new Deckorators low voltage riser lights. We have a ton more lights going in here, so you'll have to wait for the next vlog to see how they go in. So make sure you hit subscribe, stay tuned, and until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.